Welcome back to the channel. My name is Daniel, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a back pass. So there's a couple of variations to executing this back pass. The first one, you're gonna roll the stick like this and point it up like that. It's gonna be pointing vertically, and then you're gonna grab it either underneath or over the fist that's already grabbing it. And from there, it's now on the other side and you've passed the stick behind you. So that's your back pass. The thing about that is that the grip changes. It either goes above or below, and so there's gonna be some inconsistencies while you're manipulating the weapon. So a fix for that was taught to me is this. What you're gonna do is as you roll it behind you, you're going to open your hands, your fingers like so, and you're gonna roll the other hand inside to maintain a similar grip as you switch weapons. So that's a variation that you can use. It's a little bit tricky to get, but once you've gotten it right, it can look clean and it can look good. The variation I like to use is a little bit more simpler, and it doesn't deal with the problem of switching, the position of the grip. You can keep it consistent. So this is what it looks like. As you roll it behind you, instead of pointing up, you're gonna roll it and point to the side, to the direction you're gonna pass the stick to. And then you're simply just gonna grab it from here, and that's your back pass. It's way simpler. Now the trick to making any of these look really good is to mix it up with movement. You can do a twirl going into the pass and then another as you take it with the other hand. You can come from strikes and continue into more strikes. Now what I like to do is to perform a body spin as I do a back pass. The stick going around you and the spinning of the body complement each other visually, at least in my opinion. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment below, and as always, I will see you in the next one. If you're still here, I just wanted to let you know that I make exclusive content for members of my Patreon. Signing up gets you access to exclusive behind-the-scenes footage and secret vlogs that I don't share anywhere else. Your membership helps support this channel and my content, so if you like this video, you'll maybe want to check that out. Head to patreon.com/DanielBernas or use the link I left in the bottom of this video for you. Thanks again, and I hope to see you there.